my step, every goal I ever wanted.
Hey YouTube, this your boy Summer Day. We're gonna talk about part 2 of the measuring tape. This particular one here is a Fat Max. There are many different types. You have Milwaukee, you have regular Stanley, you have some off brands, but I like this one because this bad boy can open up to about 10 feet and it doesn't snap, it doesn't drop. So you can take it straight over to a wall and it'll hook and you'll be good to go. I also want to let you know that the measuring tape was first created in 1829 by a man whose name was James. Last time we were at the measuring tape, I showed you guys the 1/4 inch mark, I showed you guys the 1/2 inch mark, the 3/4 mark, and over to 1 inch. And I also told you that there are 15 16ths in between every inch. So when we start with the tape, you have 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch. And then you go to 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and then the 1 inch mark. But I'm showing you this from the 3 inch spacing because it'll be a lot easier for you to see the individual indentations versus starting over at before the 1 inch. So that would have been 3 and 1/16, 3 and 1/8, and so forth and so on. So on the 16ths, you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 16ths, all odds. And on the 8s, you have 1/8, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. It's more kind of on the even side. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Like, hit the subscription, put the thumbs up. Tell a friend. It's informative because real life, real work, and most of all, real faith. This your boy, Summer Day. A big tune.